Hi, I just want to show you a video of my Model 707 Dynajet tube tester. We've totally calibrated this unit. We also replaced 4 of the capacitors in the unit with new capacitors for years and years of service. This is a copy of the instruction manual and tube setup chart. Comes with its original tube chart in it. A lot of different tubes in it. We're going to show you how it works here. I'm going to take these old capacitors off that we used to. We totally recalibrated the unit. Also shows you in the book how to recalibrate it if you need to. Comes with your adapter for your taller tubes. This is also a TC80 pin saver on it. A real nice tube tester. Comes with this cover. It closes down and shuts it off here. First thing what we're going to do is we're going to test a 12AX7, and what we're going to do is set our settings. We're going to set the heater. We're going to set the heater to 12. So we'll set that up to 12 like that, and then we're going to set the sensitivity up to 85 right on the nose like that. We're going to use a General Electric 12AX7. I'm going to place that into our tube socket like that. Now anytime that you test these tubes, give them a few minutes to warm up. And what we'll do is this will light up if we have a short when we press the short button. We'll press that down and we have no short. This actual test for grid and emissions, leakage of any type. And we have no leakage. When the needle does jump up, it will have leakage. And there's none. Alright, now we're going to test our life. On a 12AX7, the life is supposed to be at 22 and above on this meter. Basically 22. Anything below, it needs to be replaced. So what we're going to do is we'll press on that. And we're going to hold that down, and that's at 22. That shows good. And the other side we're going to show at 20. That's showing one side's a little weaker than the other. Now we're going to have, we're going to hold the life button on. This shows you the life of the tube. Now you can see that there's no drop. 25% in that drop of that meter shows the life of it has ended. End of life of that tube. And that one's showing good on that side, and that one's showing good on that side. Alright, so that one's showing okay. What we're going to do is we're going to test another one here. We're going to try a Macintosh 5U4GB Macintosh tube. We'll set this here off to the side for a second. We're going to set our settings. This one, our heater, we'll set that because we went into our book already and it told us how to set it and everything. But we'll set this at 5 because we know. And then this one at 16. So we're going to go one notch above 15 on our settings. This does many tubes, TV tubes, audio tubes, all your electronic tubes. Even this unit actually has 2 tubes itself, which is a number 83 tube and a 6BN8 tube in it. And what we're going to do now is we got it set up here. We're going to take our Macintosh tube and we're going to put it in socket number 33. That also tells you that in the book what socket to put them on. There, so we're going to put that there. We'll let it heat up for a second. Really easy unit to calibrate too. Only thing you need is a few different types of resistors on it. So we're going to press our short button. As you can see, there's no shorts in it, or else that would light up. Leaks, we're good on the leaks. And then our test. Now we're showing good on the test. On test number 1, we're just above 80. On that, we're going to go to 2. We're about the same, a little higher on that side. Now we're going to test the life. And we're going to press the life button over. Now we're going to hit 1. See, we didn't have much of a drop. That's our drop. It's not 25%. Okay, you can see that. Just a little drop, which that indicates that the life of it still is not too bad on that tube. Really good. Now we're going to test this side. Our drop is not 25% again. Just at roughly about 10. So our life is really still good on that tube. I just wanted to show you a little operation of this machine. As you get using it, you'll get used to it. Very nice machine, easy to use. Also lets you test all different types of tubes down here. A lot of this is marked up through here. Very nice machine. Thanks for watching my video.